Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We're not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, Zia, and I'm your host P Fire, aka P on your favorite MC, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know how we do it. I'm gonna go around, come back on camera, we're gonna do it like we're doing it for TV. Let's do it. Look at the color and the sky, oh, oh, oh. Let me give you a little close up, colors, and of course the old famous twirlage, twirl to the arge, to the arge. Let me give you a little twirl, guys. You know what I mean? You already know what this is. Today, guys, we have this Stone Island David Light TC with Micropile. Should we get into it? Let's get into it. As always, let's start where we like to start, except when I forget, and that is at the length. There's my waist right there. There's my trousers. My waist starts there, and it goes. There's my waist. It's a longer coat, so much further than the waist, you know, but a nice little lengthage, you know. All right, shall we get into it? Let's get into it. Start at the cuff arches, left hand side, right hand side. As you can see, cuff arches, as I do this, come right to my wrist, perfect length. You have this nice little adjuster right there, which gives you a un adjustment and a do adjustment, so you can adjust it however you feel. To be honest, it doesn't taper it crazy, it just gives you a tiny little bit of taperage. I mean, it's almost minimal, but yeah, you can put your hands in there, whole hand, and of course equilibrium, say it, and beautiful thing, so the same goes on the other side. You know what I'm saying? Really dope. Let me just give you a little bit of close-up. It's in this nice sort of, I'm not sure what we call this, kind of like an apple green. No, it's not apple green, like an olivey maybe, and this is kind of like a olive brown. I'm not quite sure what this color would be. Suggestions in the comments what you would say. Cool, so let me step back and then we can get into it a little bit more. I'm just gonna zip up, guys, so we can see what's going on. And of course we have this nice little YKK zipper, as you can see right there, and as always you have the canvas pull tag. This seems like it's not actually made of canvas, this one. This is actually made of cotton. They're normally canvas, but this is cotton. I mean, I know canvas is cotton, but this isn't a tough one. It's quite light. But anyway, step back. Okay, cool. Left hand side, right hand side. See, equilibrium's a beautiful thing. You got your press down pockets right there. Really nice. You put your hand in. Let's see what I can put in there. Oh, it's quite a slim pocket, but you can put a few bars of gold. I say bars, a few coins of gold in there. Nothing too crazy, because it'll be hard for you to get it out. My hand doesn't even really go in. But what you can put in there is a nice little sweet. For those of you with sweet tooths, take it, love it. Anyway, let's put that back in. So these are nice pressed down pockets. Again, you might put your dog and bone in there, a few coins of gold or silver, but nothing else. Okay, let's just push that down. Cool. Left hand side, right hand side. Once again, you have equilibrium's a beautiful thing. These pockets are button pockets, so they're not pressed down, so you have to unbutton like so. Let me just do that so we can see. Boom. And then you put your hands in and you can walk down the street with your hands in your skyrocket, not a problem. Perfect length, perfect placement, lovely. And in there we obviously keep our little bits here, you know, our little demarcations of what this is, you know, blah blah blah. And this one is garment dyed under pressure at 130 degrees C and anti-drop finish, as you can see. Okay, really nice. Again, you can put a few things in here, as well as your hands. You can probably put, you know, a couple small cars, a couple small kids. If you're traveling on holiday, they can fit in here, not a problem. Super nice. Boom. Of course, these, like I said, are buttoned up buttons, and they are burnished in steel with the old Stone of Ireland, as are the other buttons, the top and the bottoms. So as you can see right there, you see the Stone Island demarcation on the button. Super dope. Okay, at the bottom here you have two clip buttons, so un, and then you have another one, do, just to give you that clipped up feel right there. If you want to lose it a little bit loose like so, you can do so. A little fishtail, but at the front, so a fish front, shall we say. On the sides here you have adjustments as you would, so if you want to sort of make this a bit more tapered at the bottom, you can, and the other side has exactly the same thing, as you can see. Super nice. Of course, you have your badge, your normal badge, special in its non-specialness, really dope. Just a normal Stony badge as we like to see them, in the right place. If it's on the other arm, it's moody, you know what I mean? It's a bit moody and you don't want that. It's a Jekyll. Anyway, what do we have? Of course, as you can see on the pockets here, you also have, you also have these side pockets right there. Walking down the street with your hands in your skyrocket, perfect. And of course you have that nice sort of differentiation that matches the wrist, that sort of olivey green, olivey brown, shall we say. And these pockets are fastened by 2 rivets like that. Snip and clip and voila. And equilibrium is a beautiful thing, so you have the same on the other side. Really dope. And as you can see, these pockets, they're quite deep. You will put your little boat in there, you wouldn't put your yacht or anything, you know, just your little speedboat, you know, for zooming over to the other island to pick up some fresh pasta. I don't know what lives do I lead, but you know, this is how I want to live. Anyway guys, give you the little twirl to the AJ, you see the collarage right there, and I'll give you a little close-up of the collar. As you can see, nice and ribbed. Beautiful color on the collar, and really nice. If I lift it up, you can see the back, you know, you see that, boom, really dope. It's a super nice collar. You've got your fastener right there, super nice in that beautiful color. Look at the ribbon on that, guys. Really nice, like one of your favorite cardigans. Super dope. Really nice, man. What else are we doing? Let's go inside. Of course, you got your pocket in there, you got your button pocket, and of course a nice little Stone Island demarcation right there, which is super nice. You've got your literature right here, you know what I'm saying, boom, your CERTI logos, etc. This, guys, is a size large. Of course, you got your spare badge holder right there. It tells you what it is right there. This is a David Light TC with Micropile, and look at that, that's Micropile. Is super soft, super dope. And guys, this is actually a sample color. So I love it when I pick up samples. I picked up a couple bits like some cargos, some jacket and samples, meaning that it's a color that they messed with. Sometimes it's actually a garment that they messed with that they didn't decide to produce. I know they've produced these jackets, I believe, so you know, this is just a sample color, but really nice. I'll give you the twirlage again. Let me take this off so you can see. Just give you a bit more insight. Of course, you've got that Stone Island badge right there. Again, look at the piling, look at the ribbon on that. Really nice. You got, like, on the edge, you got nice little buttons there, you know, boom. I think if you wanted to add a hood, you know, you probably could add a hood there, but yeah, super nice, really nice. This is actually, looking at it, it's actually detachable, so that's pretty nice as well. I've just found that out. So really nice, guys, really nice. This has been, guys, a Stone Island David Light TC with Micropile. Let me know your thoughts, man. Now it's jacket season, it's winter season. I'm going to be showing you a bit more of the bigger bits again, you know, and yeah, let me know your thoughts. Today I've got this Supreme Stone Island heat reactive cap on. I've obviously got Bear 77 logo tee on. I got some Stone Island Marina cargos and some Pata Air Max 1s, like I said. Boom, wavy baby, wavy. Yeah, I'm kind of fly, you know how we do. Ain't nothing special, but always special when I do it. Guys, thank you for watching. As usual, I've gone through this at 100 miles an hour, but you know how I do. I don't take any shorts. Whatever. Guys, stay dope, stay fly. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host, P Fire, aka P is for pretty color. I don't even know, that was terrible. And this has been Once. We're not saying magically dedicated to shit that I'm into. Yeah, and as always, guys, stay dope, stay fly, look after yourselves. Remember, man make the clothes, clothes don't make the man. And yeah, just be fly, man. It don't matter how much it costs or how much it don't cost. It's just about the person in the clothes. Be happy with inside. Guys, love you, respect you, and as always, I'm gonna see you on the flip side. Stay dope, stay fly. Peace. Gang.